So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about the IELTS exam prediction of 11th December. So let's just talk about our listening. In the listening part 1, there are chances that we can see MCQs and fill-ups. For the part 2, complete the table and the flow chart can be there. For the part 3, choose the correct option or long MCQs can be seen. And for the part 4, there will be fill-ups definitely. And let's just talk about reading. In the reading passage 1, true, false, not given, and the fill-ups can be there. And also, in the passage 2, we can see matching the right option and the headings or blanks. In the passage 3, yes, no, not given, MCQs or summary can be seen. Let's just talk about writing task 1. In the writing task 1, map, bar, table, and pie can be there. For the writing task 2, the chances are that there will be discussed both views, advantages, disadvantages, and agree, disagree. So, this was a short video about the December 11th IELTS exam prediction. So, thank you guys. Make sure to keep supporting.